Turning to weather now with this live look outside over Grand Haven at our Snug Harbor camera. Peaks of sunshine there coming in for the sunset, but hey, it was warm today.
And it was because of that sunshine that we saw this afternoon. We want to go over to Chief Meteorologist George Lessons to find out, did we break any records, George?
A few spots did break some records today, flirting with some near record highs elsewhere, thanks to southerly winds and some sunshine. Right now outside, we're mainly in the 50s, although Allen reporting in at 61, 57 here in Grand Rapids. And compared to yesterday, we are anywhere from about 10 to 15 degrees warmer in some spots, even just a little bit warmer than that. Again, a very warm afternoon here in West Michigan. As far as the cloud cover, we have seen a good deal of sunshine. Now a couple of sprinkles of rain starting to develop, and these will only last probably 5 or 10 minutes before they move on out. Another round of some rain expected later on this evening into the wee hours of the morning, but this is all going to be very, very light. Southerly winds are also bringing up a little bit of instability, so there's a chance there could be a flash of lightning or a rumble of thunder. Nothing to duck and cover for, just very unusual for early February. Temperatures right now are in the 50s, 60s to our south, but a cold front coming through is going to put an end to our 50s here. One more day on Friday, and then we're going to cool off over the weekend, and our trend is toward colder, more seasonable weather through the next 10 days. We'll talk about that a little bit later on.
On my way into the station this afternoon, I just had to stop and drop everything and go, because it smelled good. Look at George.
Aww.
You know, the breeze blowing. What a nice afternoon.
I'm a little jealous of George being outside on the weather deck tonight. It looks pretty nice, although maybe a little windy.
Yeah, I think the hair will probably go like this. It'll be all over the place, yes. It did get breezy here late this afternoon, out ahead of some colder air coming our way, guys. Yes, you knew the 50s couldn't last. Oh, you have one more day of that. 13 weather ball, though, is blue. We have cooler weather in view starting tomorrow and especially over the weekend. It's also blinking bright. Might be a brief rain shower early tonight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
And the clouds have thickened up here this afternoon out ahead of a cold front, which is about ready to move through later on this evening. A couple of sprinkles of rain trying to fall out of the clouds right now. I think it might be reaching the ground up here in Newaygo County. Haven't got any ground confirmation of that, and up from Oceana County northward. Also a pretty good chance there's some showers around Holland down through around the South Haven area. This is the parent storm back to the west. These are just some scattered showers. Later on tonight, as this cold front comes through, this is when we'll see another chance of some showers. Could be a rumble of thunder as well, but there are those showers right now. Here comes the next round. This is around 10, 11 o'clock of this evening, and then that'll be it. We'll see skies clear late tonight. A lot of sunshine in the morning, and then the clouds retreat off to the north, so a mostly sunny day. Eventually we'll get some cooler air coming in from the southwest, but later on tomorrow night, another system will pass to our south. That'll miss the Grand Rapids area, and we'll start with morning clouds on Saturday and afternoon sunshine, but you'll notice a huge difference in the temperatures, only getting into the upper 30s to near 40. We'll start the day on Sunday with some sunshine, but then some clouds in the afternoon, but no precipitation expected over the upcoming weekend. What will be falling this evening? Maybe 1/10 of an inch from US 10 northward and around the Battle Creek area on over toward Lansing and down into the Detroit area. There could be a scattered shower late Friday night, Saturday morning. Highs tomorrow will be in the low 50s rather than upper 50s. We'll drop into the upper 30s then on Saturday. Still, average high is 32 and will be around 40 with that sunshine on Sunday. Extended outlook from February 14th through the 18th. Equal chance for warmer or cooler temperatures. Average highs at that time are in the low and mid 30s. Higher chance that will stay dry also during that 5-day period. So tonight it will be breezy, an early evening shower. Wouldn't be surprised there's a rumble of thunder, but overnight lows between about 39 and 43 at the lakeshore. Again, north, breezy conditions, early evening shower. With clearing skies late tonight, low in mid 40s. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area will drop to around 46 to 47 with a chance of a shower early tonight and again later on tonight to the south and east. 13 on your side forecast. And then we enter a long period of some dry weather, although much cooler than we have seen. Highs will be in the upper 30s to near 40 early next week, dropping into the low and mid 30s toward the end of next week. We've taken all of the precip out of the forecast for next week as well. So dry and more seasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I don't know. maybe we won't have winter too much this year.
Still
If
not
it's
a
going to
bad
come now,
forecast.
it's way too late.
Yeah, but people are waiting for snow still. They want
Exactly.
snow.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks so much, George.
It's been so long since it's been raining here in West Michigan. I had to go find the umbrella here. It is definitely a little bit of light rain out here on the weather deck. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because we have some of that light rain in sight. Wouldn't be surprised if there's a rumble of thunder. It's also blue, and that means cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Just a little bit of light rain across the area. Not enough to prevent Tasha from getting Harley out here this evening. Giving you the green paw with mainly cloudy skies as we drop through the 50s tonight. Even a green paw in the morning. It will still be very mild into the mid and upper 40s. Our green energy report every day at 5:30. In terms of sunshine, we'll see less here tomorrow, although we will see some more sunshine. Wind will be up just a little bit from today. Most of the day it'll be a little bit breezy, so 9.2 out of a 10-point scale. Yes, some light rain coming through the area right now, and for the most part this will be it for a while. There'll be another round coming in later on tonight. There are some rumbles of thunder back here in Wisconsin, so it's not impossible we could see hear a rumble of thunder later on tonight, and that's what the Storm Prediction Center has for us, a rumble of thunder with a marginal risk for some active weather back to our west. There are the showers right now moving out. Here comes the next round. This is the one that might have a rumble of thunder between now and 11 o'clock, and then that's pretty much it for the rest of the night. We'll start our day with a little bit of cloud cover to the north, but it will become sunny in the afternoon. So another sunny but cooler day coming up. A few showers to the south and east of Grand Rapids before you wake up on Saturday morning, but the rest of the day will just be cloudy to start and sunny to end. And we have more dry weather coming up during the day on Sunday with plenty of morning sun and afternoon clouds. So dry and sunny weather is the rule for much of the weekend. Rain tonight will be heavier up to the north, and we're talking just enough to wet the ground and maybe 1/10 of an inch to the south and east overnight Saturday night. There could be a little bit of light rain from about Battle Creek over toward Lansing, but here in Grand Rapids we should stay dry. Long range outlook, this is through the 22nd of February. We're finally going to see temperatures a little bit cooler than average, at least higher chances for that. By that time, highs are in the mid 30s. And as far as precipitation, we have a higher chance for less precipitation during that 7-day period. So tonight, it'll be breezy, maybe a shower, rumble of thunder perhaps north. Overnight lows upper 30s and low 40s. Northern zone, again, an early evening shower, and then skies will be mostly cloudy, low in mid 40s. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll have a shower here this evening, and then again perhaps towards daybreak. Overnight lows in the mid 40s. 13 on your side forecast. To the southeast in the morning on Saturday prior to sunrise, there's that chance of a shower. We've taken all the precip out of the forecast for all of next week, and you can see temperatures are cooling off. Low 50s tomorrow, and then upper 30s to near 40 early next week, followed by low to mid 40s the following weekend.
Whole lot of sunshine in that
Yeah,
forecast.
it's still not that cold, even though we're getting into the lower 30s again. George, last night you told us that we'd be good for most of the day, and then the rain will move through, and you were right on cue.
Oh, there you go. You know, I had to go search for the umbrella because it hasn't rained in the month of February. But yeah, it has stopped raining for the most part right now. But Juliet, get prepared for some cooler weather to invade West Michigan. 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright. We are going to see more light rain showers and maybe a rumble of thunder in sight. It's also blue. We now have cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Check out these high temperatures today. 60 plus Ionia over toward the Muskegon, Holland, and down toward Kalamazoo. We made 59 here in Grand Rapids. Our average high is 32. Compared to record highs, we were 1 degree short here in Grand Rapids, but you blew away your record there in Muskegon, and you just eked out a record in Kalamazoo. Not quite so there in Kalamazoo. Most of those readings back in 1925. We did not come within our target range. We've had a tough time with the temperatures here last several days, and we'll hope to get back on target here tomorrow. We had one round of some light rain showers that come through the area earlier. That has now moved to the northeast. There's some light rain from Grand Rapids northward. There's another area of some light rain and some embedded thunder right in through here. A lot of lightning strikes with those. Unusual for February, and those are going to be pushing through later on tonight. This is the current radar. Here are those showers we'll be tracking later on. Those will eventually get here right around about 10 or 11 o'clock this evening. This is the area that might see a rumble of thunder, and then that's pretty much it. You saw a couple of stray showers southeast of Grand Rapids towards daybreak. We're going to start our day with lots of sunshine, and even the sunshine will push northward. So a breezy but sunny day, and temperatures will be down a few degrees. Overnight, Friday night, you saw some showers there from about Kalamazoo over toward Ionia. That will not affect the greater Grand Rapids area, and we'll start the day with some clouds and end up with some sunshine on Saturday. We're going to do the opposite on Sunday. We're going to start the day with some sunshine and end up with cloud cover, but both of those days will be dry, and the forecast is trending drier for all of next week into the following weekend. This is the rain this evening. You can see maybe enough to wet the ground, maybe 1/10 of an inch up in Mason and Lake counties. Further to the south and east, this is a late Friday night, Saturday morning. It could also be just as much. A few hundredths of an inch to 1/10 of an inch down in those areas, but the weekend will be dry in most areas. Forecast then for tomorrow, we'll see partly cloudy skies becoming sunny to the north, mostly sunny south, still breezy with the south wind, mid and upper 40s to near 50. That is cooler than today. Upper 40s, low 50s there in Greenville, even windier here. Partly cloudy in the morning, sunny in the afternoon, and mainly sunny here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Highs between about 52 in Grand Rapids to 57 in Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. From 52 to 38 on Saturday, that shower will be early prior to daybreak off to the southeast, and then cooler starting Sunday through the following Sunday as we fall from the upper 30s into the low 30s, and we've taken out most, if not all, of the precipitation next week.